2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, power moonroof, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.